Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The UK's FTSE 100 index slipped, weighed down by cyclical sectors and shares of British American tobacco, as investors awaited a key US Federal Reserve monetary policy decision. Cryptocurrency options and futures exchange Deribit has been hacked, with $28 million being drained from its hot wallet. The company tweeted that client assets have not been affected, but withdrawals have been temporarily halted as the exchange makes security checks. The US dollar slipped from near a one-week peak versus major peers, with traders on tenterhooks before a looming Federal Reserve rate decision that should also give clues on the future policy path. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1200 hours GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0800 hours GMT. Australia's exports at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.